Hello you beautiful people, how are you all this lovely evening? I have a subscription box today that I purchased whilst perusing Instagram for witchy things, and I came across this page called Feathers, Foraging and Flynn, and I bought a box, and I messaged the owner to see which courier they use, because obviously Hermes hates me. And they said no, they don't use Hermes, so I was like, yay. And we got chatting, and I said how excited I was about the box and how I thought it looked really cool, and they very, very kindly gave me a discount code, which is WLD10. You have to email them. I'll put all the links below, like I'll leave a link to their email address and the discount code and everything for you to get some discount off a box. But on their page I will quickly tell you a little something about it. So Witch's subscription box is what I've got, and there's all different boxes. I don't know which one I've got, I'm just going to open it and see, but it says, we're so pleased with the reaction to our subscription boxes that we are going to continue a different box every month. It's going to be filled with essential items to help you build your collection, learn new spells, try your hand at making items yourself with kits included. Your box will be thoughtfully designed based on each theme each month. The items in the box can range from incense, smudge, artwork, candles, jewellery, herbs, tea, soaps, cosmetics, crystals, spell kits, talismans, altar tools, etc. Our ethos at Feathers and Webs is made for witches by witches. We're practicing head witches with inherited knowledge, study and years of experience with different paths, so we hope you enjoy your eclectic style witch boxes. We make many of the items here at the Feathers Sanctuary and Witch Academy. I want to go. Adding wonderful more energy and magic into everything we make. Being situated directly on the Watch It Lee line, the power and healing is immense. Sacred water from our 2 rivers included in some of our products to add a special extra pinch of magic. Each box is £23 and then posting packaging on top. Currently unable to post the EU and overseas, UK only. Your payment is due on the 1st of the month. 18 only, all items are sold as magical. Please note the boxes are available as subscription only and are non-refundable. And then you can be added to the subscription box mailing list. It looks amazing, like the pictures on the website just look so good, and from chatting to them, I don't know, it just sounded really, really lovely, and the fact that it is made by witches for witches, I just thought it sounded amazing. But we are 3 minutes into this video and I have not even opened it yet. I need some scissors. Oh, I got some scissors in a subscription box earlier. Let's just get this open before I'm here for 10 years. Right, she's open. Put the scissors away, Lucy. Oh no, it's still sealed on the top. I got all excited then. We're open. Ooh. Okay. So there is lots of different sheets on the top about Hunter's Moon, and so we've got a bit about Hunter's Moon, and then tells you all about it. So it says the Hunter's full moon, also known as the blood moon, shedding moon, vine moon, falling leaf moon, is pointing to the, I can't ever pronounce this word. I'll put it on the screen and someone tell me how to pronounce it, because I've looked, and even when I ask Google how to say it, there's like 7 different ways and I'm so confuddled. And the 3rd and final harvest of meat. It can be interpreted as a time for preparing for the harvest, preparing meats, sources, blood connections, your ancestors, a family meal, protection of the home. This is the time for you, and the fruits, both cultivated and wild, are finally ripe. We need to harvest, forage and gather everything we need to borrow away for winter. Or at least that's how it used to be. If you like to try and live by the seasons as we do, we harvest our veg, forage wild berries and prepare for the freezer. Outside in the garden, we tidy up, gather the last of the herbs, chop logs, gather twigs, burn or clear, build little piles for insects to keep safe through the winter. We keep honeybees and we have to prepare them for the winter also, so that means that they're given a treatment to kill any mites and fed lots of syrup leading up to the cold for a young colony. Once they get a full hive, they should be thriving strong and make enough honey for them to be able to survive on during the winter months. We look to keep safe and warm in the winter, gather wools, fabrics for winter projects, knitting, sewing and keeping warm, and busy with indoor crafting. That's that one. Moonology Oracle cards, a beautiful deck. I'm going to get into it because there's a lot of information here. I actually really want to see what's in it. Oh my god, there's loads. We're literally 6 minutes in and I haven't even opened the box. Look, so that, and then there's loads. So this is an Oracle card wrap. Ooh. Look at that. That is beautiful. What am I just throwing on the floor? Something. So you can put your cards. My tarot cards are down there. They're all in the box still. But that is beautiful. So you can put your cards in there and then you can wrap them up. I love that. That is beautiful. So pretty. I have got the tickliest throat in the world. Excuse me. I'm trying to talk quietly because the baby is asleep. That's a bathroom, but then behind that is his bedroom. So, what have we got in here? Fig leaf. Oh, but this is telling us exactly what. So we've got some fig leaf in here. We've got catmint. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells so nice. Applewood. I can't believe how much is in here. Ooh. Applewood. I'm going to get some out to show you. Applewood. We have got some candles. We've got purple, silver and black. I don't think I've ever seen a silver candle. I love that. We've got some hematite, I think. It's a little wrapped up in a little doodad. So pretty. I can't get it out. My nails are too long. There we go. When I was younger, when I was a child, I always, whenever we went, because I always used to make my mum go into witchy shops when I was little. My mum is not into anything remotely into witchcraft or Wicca or anything. She is, no, she's just not. And I always used to make her buy me these when I was little, like 5, 6, 7 kind of age. Whenever we went anywhere, I would have so many tumbled stones. And obviously now I know why I was drawn to them as a child, but when I was little I just liked them. I just liked to have them, and now I understand why. That's beautiful. Oh, and it's got the prices on it of everything. That's really cool. So we've actually got oracle cards. Everything is all hand wrapped as well. I love that. I know obviously like really massive subscription boxes can't always hand wrap everything, but I love that things are just hand wrapped. I just think it's awesome. Moonology Oracle cards, a 44 card deck and guidebook. Oh my goodness, look. Those are beautiful. So let's have a look. So this is a beautiful deck of oracle cards by Yasmin Boland. These cards assist you with your divination and learn all about the moon's correspondence on your journey. Your crystal is hematite, properties protection, grounding, healing and cleansing. I'm taking that with me to hospital tomorrow. The planet Saturn, element fire, Scorpios, me. Beautiful hematite is my all-time favourite crystal from a very young age. Oh my god, I was drawn to its magnetic properties. It's magnetic? I didn't know that. Apparently when you cut or ground it, it has a red blood colour due to its 70% iron composition, and it is used, and this is the reason it's used for in healing of blood disorders. It's known as a stone for the mind, helping with concentration and brings incredible grounding. Hematite is used in a crystal healing from the base chakra and the earth star chakra. It aids in grounding and finding balance within the body. It's an amazing crystal for protection, especially when confronted with a lot of negative energy, and its ability to dissipate and repel energies between physical and ethereal layers due to its magnetic properties. The candles purple, black and silver to use in your altar and any spell work. Herbs, catmint, cat magic, love, beauty and happiness. Herbs, fig leaves, divination, fertility and love. Applewood, love, healing, garden magic and long life. You can use your herbs ground down to dress your candles anointed with oil. Use them as part of a spell or simply scatter around your altar or on the full moon or during your practice. We send you love and blessings and hope this box finds you well. Love from all of us. I love it. It just feels like a really personal box. I know it's obviously it's not a personal box because other people buy it as well. I can't get this open. Where's my scissors gone? But you know what I mean? Like, you probably don't understand what I mean, but I don't know, it just feels like a really lovely personal box. And I want to just have a look at these oracle cards, and then I'm not going to show you all of them because they're mine and I don't want to. And I feel like, that might sound weird, but I do feel like cards that you use can be special to you. I don't know, like my tarot card deck, I saw it and I was just like, oh, I have to have it. Like, I needed it. Oh wow, so you've got your little book and then the cards are here. So, and it's all, oh my god, they're beautiful. Now just first, right, it's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. I'm a Scorpio. And all I feel at the moment is negative energy from around me. That's a bit of a symbol, I feel. They are beautiful. Look at those. Look at the illustration on that. Absolutely beautiful. And on the back it's all the moon phases. Gorgeous. I am very excited to have a proper read of the book and have a feel for the cards myself. I love the box. I would definitely be buying another one of these. This is not sent to me in PR, this is paid for by me. I think that was beautiful. And you can put that in that. And also it does tell you how much everything is. I've lost a bit of paper now. I don't know where I put it. I'll find it and I'll put what the box value is on the screen. No, I don't care about it, but you guys, someone might care how much the box is worth, and I'll put that on the screen for you now. Yeah, I love that. I really, really love that. That was awesome. So please do give this video a big thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.